Hello, this is Sandra from Sawmill-World. Now let me introduce our precision horizontal bandsaw. We also call it upper saw. For this machine, it's automatic filling and automatic return. This have a pneumatic press roller and feeding. This is feeding conveyor, and this is a return conveyor. We put the planks at here. After cutting, we can collect and recutting and again. And this is our electrical control panel. For this is our emergency stop, door protection, the power off or on. And this is control the saw heads up and down. And this for control the saw wheel start and stop. And this for control the feeding conveyor start or stop. Here is can control the speed fast or slowly. If we cut in the hardwood, we can adjust it slowly. If we cut in the softwood, we can adjust it faster. And here is for setting the cutting size. It's CNC cutting size. We just input the thickness you want to cut in. For this motion, the saw wheel it can up and down. The thickness we input is the distance from the blade to the platform. For our bandsaw blade, I use the carbide bandsaw blade. For this motion, it's suitable for cutting the hardwood. After cutting, the surface of the plank is smooth. And here it also has the spray water system. It can cool in the bandsaw blade and remove the sawdust from the bandsaw blade. And here it's used for collect the sawdust. And for this machine, it has 3 motors. This is a main motor. It's for control the blades rolling. And this 4 motor is for control the feeding conveyor. And that smaller motor is for control the return conveyor. And here is also have device used for control the blades loosen and tighten. This is hydraulic type. Okay, that's all.